I'm taking my early morning walk. Tell me why I'm passing a pond right by my house, and for the first time I actually saw an alligator. And when I tell you that itch was so big, it was so huge, and that definitely was not a baby. That was a grown ass adult. That thing was so huge. It's actually swimming around in a circle around the pond. Creepy. So I'm taking my morning walk. I like walking over here and just admiring all the super huge houses and just keeping my fingers crossed that one day your girl will be an owner of one of these mansions that is worth almost $1 million. And how do I know it's worth almost $1 million? I googled one of the houses because it was in foreclosure for a very long time, and the foreclosure price was like 7 something. It sold. Whoever sold it fixed it up, and now they are selling it. I don't know how much they're selling it for, but yeah. So I'm taking my morning walk, and that dog is not happy to see me walking past his house. Big Doberman. I think it's a Doberman, what you call those dogs. But yeah, anyways, I'm walking my neighborhood. It feels really nice outside. It's a really nice day. It's hot, but it feels really nice. I think it's after 9 because I started walking at 9 o'clock. So it's sometime after 9. But yeah, I'm enjoying my morning walk. Feels good. I gotta go home and make breakfast. I'm walking to the top of the street and then turn back around. But yeah, I gotta go home, make breakfast, and get my day started. I hope you guys are having a good day. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Peta-Gaye here. I'm recording on my phone because I'm not taking my camera walking with me. But yeah, hope you guys are having a good day, and I will see y'all later. There's all these trees, the way how it is. I love it. I just like how they just set up where it's like they hang over to each other. Y'all, can you see me sweating? I don't sweat. I don't sweat that easily. Who calling me? I don't sweat that easily, y'all. Anybody else hates spam? Like, seriously, why y'all keep bugging people? Okay, so this is the farthest I've walked. The farthest I've ever walked before today, where you heard the dog barking a while ago, that's the farthest I've ever walked. Ooh, something flew in my ears. I'm trying not to put this on my ears because my ears still hurt. I don't know if y'all remember a couple months ago, my ears was bleeding. It still hurts, so I try not to put loud sounds on there. But something trying to fly in my ears. I did spray bug spray because over here is full of bugs. Those little gnats, which they are annoying. I wipe my face so they're not flying in my face today or trying to get in my mouth. But yeah, I love how the trees are. I love nature sometimes. I love nature sometimes. Huh? They right here. You say you want to paint, which, huh? Heck yeah. What's wrong with that? Paint the house. What color are you going to paint it in? Are you going to paint it like all these colors? What did he say, 9? Between 9 is over. You said 29? Oh, I thought he said 9. Oh, hair filters right there. You know, they have all this eggshell and just say white. White is white. White, white, white. Over here. They right here. Huh? They say buy 2, get 2 free. What number are you supposed to be getting? 16 what? 25 1? They got that right there. Why they $20? Jeez. Gosh. That is pricey up in here. Huh? I told you to go to Walmart. Walmart cheaper. These down here. Having problems with your eyes, so you probably get the wrong one. What are you looking at? Huh? Aren't they all the same thing? Six? No, those are 1620s. Oh, no, that's a bulk price. The bulk price is 20. I'm confused. This will work. I didn't even want to get out the house. Well, what am I getting for driving you here? Huh? I still got more stuff for you to put up. What are you talking about? Huh? I still got more stuff for you to put up. I'm not done with you yet. Hmm?
Please remove your card. Would you like an e-receipt?
No, a printed receipt. Good morning, a happy 4th of July. So I'm dressed, ready to head out. We are going to a 4th of July boat parade. I'm using my phone, guys, so quality may not be as good as the camera. I don't know how I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. I guess I'll go to my mirror. If you can hear something in the background, I'm listening to the morning word. But I wanted to come on here and say good morning because we're headed out now. It starts at 10. It's now 9:56. So yeah, this is my fit for today. I got this, what do you call it, bandeau, I think, top from Walmart. The shorts is from Walmart as well, and I'm gonna wear my Nike. That's probably the only luxury shoes I got that is cost over $300. And no, I did not buy it, because if y'all know me, y'all already know I am super frugal. So no, I didn't buy it. But yeah, I am ready to head on out. Y'all, I don't have hair perfume, so I just use a regular perfume. My eyes right here is hurting because I was putting on my liner and I accidentally got it in my eye. So my eye was runny, and then all of in there was like black. It was running black. But yeah, I just did a light beat. You know, I'm not as good as, you know, the girlies when it comes to putting on makeup, but I did a little something, something. But anyways, I'm about to put my shoes on and head on out. This is a bag I'm carrying. I'm gonna just wear it as a strap over. And yeah, we are heading out and ready to go. Hey guys, good morning. So yesterday I was supposed to show y'all the boat ride that we went to, but when we got there was no boat. I got y'all on my phone stand because I'm using my camera, so bear with me. But yeah, we got there and there was no boats. So we ended up leaving. We didn't take no pictures, nothing much really. So for us, we don't really go too deep when it comes to celebrating the 4th of July. We just enjoy having my husband home from work and a reason to eat barbecue. So we did go to a restaurant and got some barbecue, but that was about it. But yeah, happy day after 4th of July, happy Friday. So right now I'm headed to Dunkin' Donuts to get the kids some donut. They've been, well, my middle child, my middle son Jeremiah, he's been begging us for donuts for the past couple days. So I'm here to get donuts, and hopefully they have the one that he wants. So all my kids, they love the sprinkle donuts. So usually they all ask for a specific color. So I'm hoping that they have the ones that they want, as well as I have a coupon. So that's my goal, to use that. But yeah, let me order this and then head on back. Okay, y'all, so I got my donuts. So I went to the drive-thru and got the kids their donut, and then I was like, I didn't even ask my husband if he wanted anything. I know my car dirty out. I know. No, I need to get it clean, but I don't know when that gonna happen. But yeah, I end up going inside because I'm like, I got the kids something, but I didn't even ask my husband if he wanted anything, because I have the Dunkin' Donut app, which means, you know, I get a lot of discount on stuff, and half a dozen donuts, I got, you know, a deal. So my kids, they've been nagging me for donuts. I'm like, let me go get it for them. I have this coupon, let me use it. So I went, got their donuts, and then I was like, I didn't even ask my husband if he wanted anything. So I went inside, I got him a kolache, and then I had a coupon for free munchkins. So I got that as well. And then I got myself the energy drink. I forgot what flavor it is. I got it for $3. It's the berry sparked energy drink, and I got it for $3. So I felt like that was a pretty good deal. So I'm headed back home, and then I still got to come back on the road later. My son, he has a dentist appointment, so I gotta bring him to that. I don't even know what time the dentist appointment is. I just know he has a dentist appointment today, and honestly, I'm not even in the mood because I didn't go to bed till like 3 o'clock this morning. It's 8:24. I was up after 7, so your girl is exhausted. I'm exhausted, which means I'm probably gonna sleep today. But the problem was I slept yesterday because me and my husband, we was on the road. He went to go take a nap. I lay down beside him, and I knew the minute I cuddled up with that blinking man, I was gonna fall asleep. The minute I cuddled up with him, laying on his chest, I fell right asleep. So I fell asleep, and I woke up like after 7, I think. And when I woke up, I was like, I wanted to finish decorating my master, and I didn't get to do that. So that was another thing, excuse me. So the other night, my husband was asking me, you know, questions about, you know, depression and whatever. And he was pretty much, you know, just asking me how I handle it. And I'm like, man, it ain't easy. It's not easy. And it's nothing to joke about. But there are days when, you know, I'm just feeling hella down. I'm feeling, you know, just not feeling myself. And then there are days when I'm just so upbeat. And you ever have such a high that when you have that low is a low? So sometimes when I'm just extra peppy, extra happy, when that low hits, it's not fun. That's not fun at all. So that's something that, you know, I have to try to work on. I'm trying to find ways to, you know, just deal with the emotions of roller coaster that I'm dealing with. Sometimes I enjoy going to walk because I can just free my mind. I'm not thinking about nothing except how hot it is outside. Because as much as I try to walk early, I don't usually. Most of the time, I'll be going to walk like 8, 9. But for this week, I've been going around 10. And if y'all know Texas weather right now, it ain't nothing fun. I need to figure out my signal, my left signal. I don't know if y'all can hear it. It just sounds super weird. But yeah, I use walking as a means to just relax my mind. But at the same time, it can be a bit, you know, hot out there. And then walking for me, it just cools down whatever I'm worried about in that moment. I'm not even thinking about that because I'm enjoying my walk. So that's one way I try to, you know, relax my mind from overthinking, because I can overthink, and sometimes when I overthink, that's where the stress comes in. I was supposed to get gas and I forgot, because I really don't want to have to go to the gas station with my son in the car. but he's older, so it'll be fine. But yeah, I need to go get gas. But yeah, I'm headed home now, so I'm gonna talk to y'all later. He looks so good. Look at that fine chocolate. He looks so yummy.
Yummy. Yummy.
Yummy.
I don't know yummy. Mommy is yummy.
What?
Mommy yummy donut.
Mommy yummy donut.
Yes.
That don't make sense, girl. You just over there looking like a whole snack. What? It fell? Then pick it up. Just over there looking like a whole snack. Snack. What kind of snack are you? I like chips and salsa, so you could be some chips and salsa. A whole snack. A whole bag of snack. Just looking good. Hey, baby daddy. Huh? You looking good. You looking real good. I never when did I tell you that? I never said that. I never tell you that because you never asked me that. I don't remember that. I don't believe you. Do this, baby. Yeah.
Whose tea is that? That's a bunch of tea.
That's yours.
But there's a 9 pictures on it.
Wait, me?
Yeah.
Which number?
1.
If the elevator crashed, you just press that. And then, okay. Wait, was the elevator too? You didn't tell me there was an elevator too.
Alright, open the door for me. Thank you. Alright, come on.
Let me just finish up on this one over here, and then I'll get you the receipt.
Okay, thank you.
Homemaker.
Yeah, that's fine.
What's your first and last name?
This is your receipt right here.
Okay. Good morning. It's Saturday. Today's what, July 6th. I just went to the store, grocery store. I had to get Journey some milk. If y'all don't know, this girl is still stuck on milk. She eats stuff every now and then, but when it comes to her milk, she is not playing with it. Not playing with it at all. So I am headed back home. I did go to the hair store. I went to the hair store. I got a ponytail and I got some bedazzle, and I got that I got this thing where if you want to put your hair in a bun and your hair is, you know, on the shorter side, it gives you that fullness that, you know, you're looking for. So I'm recording on my phone, guys, so as usual, you know, when I record on my phone, it's giving a different scenery when it comes to angles of where my phone is. But yeah, you know what I'll never understand? So they are fixing the road right here where I'm driving right now, and I'm like, why? At no point was this road messed up that it needed to be fixed. Like, what's the purpose of destroying a road to fix it? And then roads that actually need fixing, y'all don't fix. For like 3 days now, today's day 3, this right eye has been jumpy, like twitching a lot. And I was Googling why, eyes twitch. And it was saying it could be because of stress. And I'm like, sounds like your girl. The way how I put my phone, it keeps falling on top of the thing, and then y'all can probably hear it hitting it. So I'm trying to fix y'all. But I'm like, stress, that'll do it. So it says stress and alcohol, and I'm like, that could do it too, because your girl like a drink. I like a drink. For me, I'm not, I ain't never gonna refer to myself as an alcoholic, but when I'm just feeling down, I have different things that I turn to kind of relax myself. Music being one of them, and then I like a nice drink. Sometimes I'll pray, sometimes I read my Bible. It just all depends. I'll dance. It just depends on how I'm feeling in the moment and just how bad my anxiety or my depression is at the moment. So it says when your eyes is twitchy like that, it could be because of stress, anxiety, alcohol, and they had a few more stuff. They said it should last like a couple of days and then stop. So we'll see. Like I said, today is day 3. I do need to go get a wellness checkup. I haven't done one in I don't know how long. I said I was going to do one 2 weeks ago. I never did. So I don't know. Today when I get back home, I think my husband said he wants to go do DoorDash. This person driving crazy. Am I the only one? So I try to be very aware of my surroundings, and like, for example, I've been driving for a while now, and this car has been behind me for a while. Now, I'm not saying they're following me, but I try, well, they're passing me now, but I try to be very aware. So when I'm driving, like a couple weeks ago, I drove from home, and this car that I've never seen before drove in from the same street that I left in my street, drove with me on this same road, drove with me to another road, drove with me to another road, and another road, and another road. And finally, when I was getting ready to turn, they went straight. And I'm like, things like that, I try to be aware of, because you never know. So like now, it looks like I'm following the car that was behind me, because now they're turning on the same street that I'm about to turn on. So I try to be very aware. I don't drive just to drive. I don't walk just to walk. I always try to make sure I am looking and observing, because we live in a time right now where, there are just so many crazies, and people be doing the craziest and the dumbest things. And, all these criminals, they don't care. They don't care. One thing I love about this house, it's a really big house. I don't know how much it is, but as big as the house is and as big as the land is, it has like another house on there. So it could be like a mother-in-law suite. I like that. Like, if you have people over, your guests can have like their own house. Your guests can have their own house. So I like that. You can tell I'm going slow because that car done disappeared. But yeah, I try to be very aware of my surroundings and take note of what is around me, because like I said, you never know what's going on. People are so crazy, people do stupid stuff, and as a female you have to pay attention. You have to be mindful of everything and everyone around you, you know, just for your safety and your well-being. So guys, I was recording a bunch of reels and makeup being one of them, and as you guys can see, my makeup was looking a hot mess. So I did end up fixing it while I was in the car, because while I was recording this I realized my makeup was a hot mess. But y'all gotta bear with me, your girl is new to this and I'm trying my very best. But I was in a rush because we had to get to the circus at 3 o'clock and we were running behind. We had to leave out on time so we could get a parking spot, and all these reels because I recorded like 3 reels, all these reels that I was recording, I had to hurry up, and doing my makeup was taking a long time because I was watching a video to do it. So yeah, I know it was looking crazy, but I did fix it. So don't come for me, guys. I'm new to this and I'm still learning.
Get a $300 instant gift, all with free and fast delivery. Is matched at Mattress Firm. Sleep at night. Restrictions apply. See store or website for details.
What you crying for? You got a broken leg. Okay, you had an accident. What you crying for? You know you called 5 dog. I wish I was in your situation. You about to get chopped down.
Y'all gotta clap. go sit with Daddy? Building up that momentum. I don't want to see. I can't look.
Let's go!